Specifications and key points of steps for slitting tool installation and trial cutting. Before conducting slitting operations, relevant calculations must first be completed. Whether using GoodClife automated tool calculator software GATC for precise calculations or manual detailed accounting, key parameters such as required tool specifications, quantity and installation sequence must be accurately determined, as these serve as important bases for subsequent operations. After completing the calculations, all involved tools and related equipment must be thoroughly cleaned to ensure their surfaces are free of impurities, oil stains, etc., so as to guarantee the accuracy and smoothness of tool installation and subsequent operations. Only after cleaning can the arbor be lubricated. Given the minimal gap between the outer diameter of the arbor and the inner hole of the knife, applying lubricating oil can effectively facilitate the smooth installation of slitting tools onto the arbor. In the tool installation stage, slitting circular knives, spacers, and bonded stripper rings must be accurately loaded onto the arbor in the predefined order. During this process, the position of the tools and the accuracy of the tool gap must be carefully checked. For thin spacers such as 1.01 or 2.01 mm, due to their light and thin nature, they are prone to tilting when installed on the arbor, which may hinder the installation process. In such cases, never force the operation. Instead, push an adjacent thick spacer ring to fit closely with it to assist in installation. Additionally, if multiple thin spacers are required for each cutting unit, they must be placed at intervals between thick spacer rings to avoid concentrated stacking. After tool installation, a comprehensive and detailed inspection must be conducted, focusing on checking for any errors. After confirming no issues in the inspection, the hydraulic nut must be properly installed. It should be noted that before installing the hydraulic nut, all tools on the arbor are in a loose state. Only by properly installing the hydraulic nut can the tools on the arbor be tightly combined, thereby forming a stable and rigid cutting system. Next is the trial cutting stage. When selecting metal coils for trial cutting, various characteristics of the coil, such as thickness, material, tensile strength, etc., must be comprehensively considered to accurately select the overlap amount between the upper and lower blades. Initially, conduct the trial cutting by manually pulling the coil forward. If no abnormalities occur during the trial cutting, considering that the formal cutting speed is significantly higher than the trial cutting speed, the upper and lower arbors will deform to a certain extent under high-speed cutting conditions, which may easily reduce the overlap amount in the middle part of the arbor, and there may even be a problem that the middle coil cannot be cut. Therefore, the overlap amount can be appropriately increased slightly. After the trial cutting stage is successfully completed and confirmed to be correct, the subsequent work process can be officially initiated. For more videos on the use of longitudinal cutting tools, please visit our website.